13 things to never put in the microwave. 1. Plastic takeout containers will leach toxic fumes and leach bisphenol A into food. 2. Alcoholic beverages can explode. 3. Frozen food produces carcinogens. 4. Uncooked rice contains bacteria which is removed in the microwave. 5. Capsaicin in raw hot pepper turns into vapor and can irritate your eyes. 6. Aluminum foil, plate, and silverware can start a fire. 7. Stick can catch fire if the surface heats up too fast. 8. Leafy greens turn to spark. 9. Eggs in the shell explode. 10. Hot dogs contain preservatives that can spark. 11. Frozen milk bacteria grows with thawed and heated. 12. Single-use plastics can hurt and leach phthalates. 13. Brown pepper bags release toxic fumes and catch fire. You can slide into my inbox for a precise, practical, and actionable plan to reverse all chronic diseases. Please always seek a second opinion. Don't depend on what your doctor is telling you. Your health is possible.